Everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to see the watch later list on YouTube. So I'm heading over to the YouTube application first. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your desired account. And then let's head over to a video and let's select it for save or watch later. Once you save it, it is saved to watch later. So if you go back and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And here you will find all of your playlist. So tap on view all. And here you will find all of your playlist, and in there you will find a watch later one. So tap on watch later. And here are all the videos that you selected to watch later. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.